Real Life Trading friends and family, it's time for the July Monthly Challenge, where we challenge you with a real physical challenge, a life challenge, and a trading challenge. July is Adventure Month, which means we're going to challenge you to be adventurous and to try new things. Let's start with the real challenge, the physical challenge. Try one new sport or outdoor activity for the entire month of July. It would be a new sport that you've never played before, like tennis or frisbee, maybe baseball. Or a new outdoor activity like hiking or horseback riding, maybe biking or kite surfing. Be adventurous and try something new. For the life challenge, every day during the month of July, your challenge will be to put something on your dinner plate you've never tried before. It could be a new vegetable or a new protein. Maybe it's a new style of cooking. Challenge your palate to be adventurous and to try something new. The trading challenge is an exciting one. Every day this month, your challenge is to learn one new candle pattern for every day. What does the pattern look like? What's the sentiment behind it? How is it meant to be traded? Entries, stops, targets. Learn about each candle pattern. And for a bonus challenge for the month, you can go ahead and post a new pattern every day that you find in a live chart. Each post should have a screenshot for that day's chart showing the candle pattern that you found. Include the name of the pattern and remember to tag us in the post. You can post it to your social media or in our Slack community. Now, these monthly challenges are designed to push you out of your comfort zone so you can continue growing and developing yourself into the performance machine of your dreams. We're here to help in that journey, so reach out anytime to find out more on how we can support you. Have a great July, happy trading, and let's get at it.